You're already a more experienced artist. You have a lot of control. But I'll mention this because it's something I usually suggest for beginners, as it's a point of friction in development. When blocking, I think it's a precious time we invest in making assets at this level. It's relatively simple compared to the rest. But you still had to pause your workflow to extrude, count the tips, and position everything perfectly, including extruding and adding support edges. And I think this accumulates a lot of time, taking us out of the flow of focusing on what's essential in the character, like their personality, proportions, and silhouette. So my suggestion is, if you feel this doesn't distract you and you can keep working on it for hours, then you can ignore what I'm saying. But if you find that during this process, you lose the desire to continue, which is different from losing focus, which you can easily get back on track. If we start losing the will because it's not as fun, I feel it's because we're mixing the enjoyable part of creating with the technical part. Move a little here, position, extrude, pull. It's very mechanical and a different psychological state for me. I try to avoid this as much as possible. For me, the solution is to do as much as I can in Dynamesh and try to stay in ZBrush as much as possible.